Hello Gemini, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like and subscribe below. So in this reading, we're going to see how you're starting the new year, 2022, January, the month of January. So let's see what we have. Like I always say, please only take it if it resonates. If it's not your story, please don't try to make it yours. And at the end of the reading, I'm going to pull one card to answer any yes or no question that you might have. So let's see what's going on with Gemini. Oops. All right, your cards are literally just so anxious to come out. One second. Judgment. Crossing that is Four of Cups, Five of Pentacles in the base, Seven of Wands in the past, Three of Swords in your crowning energy, Two of Swords in the future, Nine of Cups is your energy, Three of Wands as the energy around you, and Three of Cups as your hopes and fears, Knight of Pentacles as the outcome. I can clearly see that there has been a missed opportunity and you are hoping for another go at it, or a reconnection or reunion, or just to you're wishing for something to manifest for you which was a missed opportunity. Your advice is the Hanged Man. Okay, I'm just gonna move these a little bit better. Yeah, I feel like you had to either defend yourself, stand your ground. Maybe you've been in an argument or someone has been defensive or something like that in this situation. I do see some sort of I feel like there has been some heartbreak and some feeling left out in the cold kind of energy here. But judgment to me can either be making a choice, a decision, or it can be like a reconnection. Let's clarify. Let's see what we have. Five of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Lovers. Okay. It's judgment, please. Knight of Wands, Page of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. All right. Queen of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and High Priestess. Too many pentacles in your reading. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have King of Cups, Two of Swords, and Seven of Pentacles. All right. Okay, Gemini. So I think in the past here, someone has I feel like it could be talking about a relationship because we have Lovers here. For most of you, it will be a romantic relationship, but it could be any relationship really. It could also mean something which you had a lot of, like you were really into it. It could be a situation where you were really into it and there was a choice that you had to make. I think you thought there was a lot of potential. You could see the potential. You could see that it's something abundant for the future. It just didn't work out in your favor though. Somebody was being very guarded here. Like maybe you had to put your walls up. Maybe you had to defend your ground. You had to stand your ground. Something on those lines. And I feel like that has left you a little bit heartbroken, and there's been some anxiety. Someone is feeling a bit rejected, left out in the cold in this situation. But here, although this felt like a missed opportunity in the past, I feel like there's communication coming in. There's something coming in with Judgment being there. I think it's with Judgment and Page of Pentacles and Knight of Wands and Eight of Pentacles, it's like I think you're going to have another go at it. Brand new energies are coming into that situation. For some of you, it's a reconnection. Maybe it wasn't an outright separation. It was just like some sort of confusion, misunderstanding, something in a situation. I feel like that's getting resolved for you. Probably by the first half of January, there's going to be some sort of communication, because that's what you've been wishing for. You're waiting for it. I can see that you're waiting for this reconnection or this communication or this situation to come back around, because it felt like a missed opportunity. In the future, though, I still see a little bit of frustration and some back and forth, because there might be some things coming to light, but there might be a little bit of blockages that you have to kind of get through, but you will be able to, like within the relationship, within the both of you, there is something that needs to be resolved. There's something that needs to be discussed. There needs to be open and honest communication about something. There are certain challenges that have to be taken care of, and somebody has probably been a bit blocked about dealing with those challenges. Someone has had probably a blocked heart chakra and hasn't been completely open or honest about those, not honest, but like vulnerable. But I see you both going into February being able to deal with them, like at least those things coming up to light, and you acknowledging that there is a need to whoever was like blocked, or whoever was not taking accountability or was running away from it, finally deciding to, okay, let's talk it out, to be open, to be vulnerable, and working on it. And that creates more stability, that creates growth in this situation, in this relationship. Because the outcome, like I pulled, like what's the overall outcome, and that's Page of Swords, which means communication, which means new energy, brand new energy in this situation. In terms of signs, you could be dealing with another Gemini. We have Libra, we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So pretty much all the signs. Your advice is the Hanged Man. So I think there needs to be a perception shift in this. For you, your advice is to look at it from a different perception, and also maybe just stand back, like let them come to you, or let the situation unfold, like surrender a little bit. Just stand back, just calm down, ground your energy, maybe shift your perception a little bit about this whole situation, because that's coming as your advice. Let's see, what messages do angels have? Abundance. No. Listen to your intuition. Okay. So maybe in the past it was a no, or maybe you thought it was a no, but whatever your intuition is telling you, trust your intuition. Because even if it's a reconnection, even if it's like you guys are just talking things out or whatever, there is certain there's an element of spirituality to this connection. So your intuition will be your best friend in this situation, your best guide. So but there is abundance around you, there is abundance in this situation, although it felt like no at one point. But just trust your intuition. Whatever your intuition is telling you is your truth. Okay, let's see what Romance Angel Oracle has to say. Love yourself first. Oops. Separation. Express your love. Yeah. So I think maybe you are in separation with somebody. And the whole point was somebody here had some sort of self-worth issues, or was not loving themselves completely. That was a problem. And maybe you both had to go into your separate corners and heal from something. And once that is done, once you're coming out of it, someone is coming in to express their love. It could be you or it could be them, but someone is coming in to talk. Someone is coming in to be vulnerable, to be open, and to express how they truly feel about the situation. Okay, now think of a question that has a yes or no answer, and let's see what the answer to your question is. Page of Pentacles. So the answer to your question is a yes. All right, Gemini, that was your reading. I hope that resonated for you. Please do leave your comments below if it did, and please do like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light. Bye bye.